Dear students, welcome to 7th Standard Maths, Term 1, Lesson 2, Measurements. Today we will discuss about some area and perimeter of some simple shapes. That is very important formulas. So before introducing with the exercise, I want introduce some formulas now. In a first shape, parallelogram. A parallelogram is a four-sided closed shape in which opposite sides are both parallel and equal. Here, ABCD is a parallelogram. Then AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. So, area of the parallelogram is equal to base multiplied with height square units. And also, the perimeter of a parallelogram is sum of the length of the four sides, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. The next shape, rhombus. In a parallelogram, if all the sides are equal, then it is called a rhombus. In a rhombus, all the sides are equal. We consider ABCD is a rhombus. Here, AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, CD is equal to DA. And also, opposite sides are parallel. That is, AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to AD. And also, the diagonal divide the rhombus into four right angles. The diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So, how to find the area of the rhombus? We using this formula 1 by 2 multiply with diagonal 1 multiply with diagonal 2 square units. Other formula we using base into height square units. The next, trapezium. A parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides is known as a trapezium. Here, AB is not parallel to CD, AD is not parallel to BC. Then area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied with height multiplied with A plus B square units. Here A and B are length of parallel sides. If the non-parallel sides of trapezium are equal, then it is known as an isosceles trapezium. Now I explain exercise 2.1. First sum. Find the area and perimeter of the parallelogram shapes. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. Base and height is given. Base is equal to 11 centimeter. Another one side 4 centimeter. Height is equal to 3 centimeter. So base equal to 11, height is equal to 3 centimeter. Then area of the parallelogram using the formula base into height square units. Here base is equal to 11 centimeter multiplied with height is equal to 3 centimeter. 11 multiplied by 3 is equal to 33 centimeter square. And also perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to sum of four sides. Here AB is equal to 11 centimeter is one side, another one side 4 centimeter, another one side 11 centimeter, then another one side 4 centimeter, because opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. So sum of the four sides is equal to 11 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 11 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. 11 plus 4 15, 11 plus 4 15. So 15 plus 15 is equal to 30 centimeter. So perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to 30 centimeter in the given shapes. Next, second one, PQRS is a parallelogram. Find the area and perimeter of the given shapes. Here base is given. This is the height, that is 10 centimeter. So height on opposite side is base. Here SP is base. So base is equal to 7 centimeter. Then height is equal to 10 centimeter in the parallelogram. So area of the parallelogram is equal to base multiplied with height square units. Here base is equal to 7 centimeter multiplied with height is equal to 10 centimeter. So 7 multiplied 10 is equal to 70 centimeter square. So area of the parallelogram is equal to 70 centimeter square. The next we find perimeter of the parallelogram. Using this formula, sum of 4 sides. Here one side is 30 centimeter given, that parallel side is equal, so SR is equal to 13 centimeter. Here PS is parallel to QR, so 7 centimeter QR. So sum of the all 4 sides 13 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 13 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. 13 plus 7 20 plus 13 plus 7 20. 20 plus 20 is equal to 40 centimeter. So perimeter of the given parallelogram is equal to 40 centimeter. In the second one, first sum, find the missing value of parallelogram. Here base and height is given. Base is equal to 18 centimeter, height is equal to 5 centimeter given. So find the area of the parallelogram. Then given base is equal to 18 centimeter, then height is equal to 5 centimeter. Find the area of the parallelogram using this formula, base multiplied with height square units. So 18 multiplied with 5. So 18 multiply 5. 5 8s are 40. Remainder 4. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4 9. So we have 90 centimeter square. So area of the parallelogram, the given shape is 90 centimeter square. Next one, second, find the missing value of the parallelogram. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. We consider base is given 8 meter and also area of the parallelogram given, that is 56 meter square. So area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units, already we know. So base into height is equal to area of the parallelogram, that is 56 square units. Then base is equal to, we substitute in 8 centimeter, so 8 into multiply with height is equal to 56. Multiply number, go that side, here division. So height is equal to 56 divided by 8. 1 8s are 8, 7 8s are 56. So height is equal to 7 meter. So height of the parallelogram is 7 meter. Third one, we consider ABCD is a parallelogram. Then height is given 17 millimeter and also the area of the parallelogram is 221 millimeter square given. We find the base. So area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units. Already area of the parallelogram is equal to 221 millimeter square given. So base into height is equal to area of the parallelogram 221. So here base multiplied with, substitute in height is equal to 17 millimeter is equal to 221. Here multiply 17, go that side, divided number. So B is equal to 221 divided by 17. So 221 divided by 17, we have first 1 times of 17, 1 17s are 17, remainder 5, then 1, 51, then 3 times of 17 is equal to 51. So remainder we have 0, then quotient is 13. So base is equal to 13 millimeter. So base of the parallelogram is equal to 13 millimeter. Thank you. So dear students, today we learn parallelogram shapes. with its area and perimeter.